All right. Well, welcome back. And we are now on lesson number 5. So if you're on Moodle, what you're going to need to do, this one is going to be a little bit different than what we've done before, because what I have posted here, and let me switch so it looks more like what you have. What I have posted is a Word document. So if you click on the Finding Possibilities assignment, then what you'll need to do is open that, and it should look like this. Now, the reason why I made it a Word document instead of that PDF file is because you're not going to just print it out. You're actually going to complete the assignment on this handout and add to it whatever you need to add to it, and then you're going to turn it back into me through Moodle, and I'll show you how to do that in just a minute. So all you're going to do here is the assigned problems, and put together your solution and then submit it. So there's no actual lesson. The lesson is going to be you figuring out how to make this work. So this is going to be more on your shoulders than me explaining it to you, because I think you can come up with a really good possibility here. So when you're at home, what you need to do before you do anything else is you need to actually save this. If you notice, it says it's a read-only file. So what you need to do when you open up that Word document is go up to File and Save As. You don't have to change the name of it, but you need to save it to something on your computer. So you could save it to your flash drive, like mine. Here's my flash drive. It's on the F drive, or it could be the E drive for you. Or you can just save it temporarily to your desktop on your computer. So that's what I would suggest doing. So if you do that, go ahead and click Save. This version, this read-only version, you no longer need. So we're going to go back and get the good version here, right here. So that was on my desktop. I just opened it up. Now, I can type on this. So if I want to put in my name and then just delete this stuff up here. So I can do everything I need to do right here on this paper. You really don't even have to put in your name, because when you submit it, I'll know whose it is, because it'll be next to your name when you log in. Now here is your problem. This is the mathematical part coming at you here. It says Mrs. Wrigler has a pair of black, tan, and gray pants, a white, blue, and striped shirt, and a black and light blue sweater as shown below. And you can see all of those are labeled and shown in the pictures below. An outfit consists of a pair of pants, a shirt, and a sweater. So there has to be a pants, sweater, and shirt. How many different outfits can Mrs. Wrigler make, and what are they? That's the important part too. So what you need to do is come up with an organized way to either show or list all of the different outfit combinations and count how many there are. So it should be pretty easy to count them if you have them listed or shown in some way. So that's part one, and you can list how many total outfits are down here. Once you do that, then you're going to give me a mathematical way. So it says now that you have a total number of outfits, come up with a mathematical way to determine the total number of outfits that does not require you to list them all. Show your work and provide an explanation of what you did. Now, since this is a Word document, if you notice, if you click on each of these items, it's just a picture. You can move it to somewhere else. You can shrink it down a little bit if you want a smaller version of that. And this is your document, so you can do whatever you want to it now because you have your own saved version. You can right click on it and copy it and paste another one just like it. So that might be one option. If you want to show me all the possibilities, you can use these pictures right here to show me. And you can just go down to the next page, add, whoops, don't do that. Hit enter a couple times to get yourself a new page, and you can show me the possibilities down here. If you do that, you might, with the pictures, you might want to make these smaller to fit everything in. Or you could use abbreviation. So if you want to label these a certain way, instead of showing the pictures, you can use a label. So explain what your labels mean, and then go with that. All right, and then once you get all of your possibilities shown or listed, or however you choose to do it, Then you can count up your total number if you want to put it here or list it down on the bottom of the page. That's fine too. This, you can take as many pages as you need to do it. Then you need to come up with a mathematical explanation if I don't want to list everything out or put a drawing together or show them all, how could I come up with the total number of outfits without having to do that? So come up with a mathematical way. So you might need to look at what you've got and kind of analyze your options here and come up with a possible solution and explain that. And you can do that down here too. So if you just enter on down and then you can start number 2 or part 2 and explain your mathematical explanation. And then just start typing it. Once you're done, make sure you save it. You can just hit save. It will save to wherever you saved it to before, which is your desktop. And then when you do that and you're done, then you go back to Moodle. Whoops. And then you'll see right underneath that assignment, it says Lesson 5 assignment, turn in here. Go ahead and click on that when you're ready. And it says upload your finished assignment here. Upload means to take something from your computer and take it, load it into an internet website, which is what you would be doing from your computer to the internet. So that's an upload. So to get this, you're going to click on the Browse button, and then you have to find where you saved it. Well, I saved mine to the desktop. So I'm going to go to the desktop, and if I scroll over here, I'll find it in here somewhere. Here it is, Lesson 5 Possibilities. And then I hit Open, and there it is. That's where it came from, and you click Upload this file. And it'll tell you the file was uploaded successfully. If you continue, it'll show that you have a lesson 5 possibilities.doc. Now I'm logged in as myself. See, it says Sally Rigler, that's me, and it'll say your name. So if it's Emily, Emily Adsum. So when I go in to check your assignments, I will see that next to Emily's name, there's an assignment posted that she uploaded. Next to Tyler Davis's name, there's an assignment that he posted. So if you don't put your name on your paper in this case, it's okay. No worries. You know, God bless technology. That's all I got to say. All right, so there you have it. Put your thinking caps on and start thinking of how you can come up with a great way to list all my outfit possibilities. I know, it's an exciting wardrobe. The sad thing is that it's actually probably true. You've seen me wear them, you know. All right, I will talk to you soon. Bye-bye. Good luck. Happy math thinking.